Hey, this will be a video chart on NEGS. Got quite a few questions on this one, and I'm just now being able to get to it. But nice little chart here. We have the start of what's hopefully going to be a much longer uptrend. So what I want to do is just go over some basic supports and resistances, and that way everybody has an idea of what to look for next week. The first place I want to start is just the overall resistance, or not the resistance, excuse me, the overall support, the no excuse support where it's got to hold no matter what, or else the chart's pretty much going to go right back to where it started. And this is going to be simply a trendline support, and it is formed by connecting the lows. So what I want to do is first just get this changed to green to represent it being a support. I'm going to make this line extra thick so everybody knows that this is a very important level of support. Now, this was formed simply by taking this low. Then you can see that the price found support there, price found support there, and now the price has really kind of separated itself from it, which I'm sure nobody's complaining about. But in the grand scheme of things, if this chart's going to continue to look more and more bullish, this is the level that has to hold. Now, sure, there's some other levels that we'd ideally like to see hold, but at the end of the day, this is a level that needs to hold because let's say on Monday we're to drop all the way back down here, find support before heading back up, well then this uptrend line would still be intact, and hence the uptrend would still exist. Now, from an ideal standpoint, meaning ideally what sort of support levels would we like to see hold? That would be based right here at this level. Let me get this changed again to green. And I'll just leave this line skinnier just because, yes, it's a support, but at the same time, it's not like it's a must hold. But this is simply at the 0.0011 level. And going back through the history of the chart, you can see it was a support back here, support all the way around here, and then when it fell, became resistance, although the price didn't quite hit it. Resistance, price got above it, made a nice move, came back down, resistance. Now that the price got above it again, made a nice move. This is where we'd like to see it hold, but that's going to be our ideal support level. Now, in terms of resistance levels, what I'm looking at is this level right here, which has acted as support now 3 times here. At 0.017, the price tried to get above it, could not. Actually, I'm getting ahead of myself. Let me change this to red first so everybody knows this is a resistance. Make this line a little thicker because it does seem like it's kind of being a thorn in the side of the chart. Once again, the price got rejected. Price got above it intraday, but because we're looking at the daily chart, we care about where the closes are. So the price wasn't able to close above it. But this level here at 0.0017 is going to be the key level of resistance. And then if you get some prices that close above here, I'm sure I'll be back to update the chart at that point in time. But just one step at a time for now. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook. And with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from penny stocks up to big boards. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It is all free, so I'd encourage you to go to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. One more time, this was NEGS. Thanks for listening, and enjoy your weekends.